We all know that meditation is really good for us. When we turn off the devices and gadgets, eliminate the distractions, and find that moment of quiet stillness, it can be wonderful. Here, we're not worrying and thinking about the future. We're taking a look at our past and ruminating over the mistakes that we might have made. We're perfectly calm and still and present in the moment before us. As wonderful as meditation is, it can also be really, really, really hard. Trust me, I know. Over the last couple of months, I've actively worked on creating a meditation habit. And as I've learned more about the process, I've come to realize that there are a lot of different schools and types of meditation. The beauty of that is you get to pick and choose the kind of meditation you want to do depending on your mood that day, or maybe depending on what's going on in that day. So let's jump in and talk about the 6 different styles of meditation. This is your menu of options that you get to pick from as you embark on the journey of meditation. Hi, I'm Astha, and welcome to this Friday evening. We're going to go over 6 different styles of meditation. All of the meditation styles have a few basic things in common. The first is you want to find a quiet and calm spot where you can meditate. You want to sit down comfortably in a cross-legged position or on a chair and keep your spine and head erect. Ideally, you want to be wearing something comfortable which allows you to breathe and inhale and exhale deeply. Rest your hands on your knees, and once you're comfortably seated, close your eyes so you can shut off the external stimuli. Depending on the type of meditation you choose, what you'll do next will vary. But these basic guidelines are common to all the 6 meditation styles. So now, let's jump in and talk about them. The very first style of meditation is Unalone Blue. If you're feeling stressed or you have a lot going on, then this is the right meditation style for you. This is basically a type of breathing where you alternate the nostrils that you use to inhale and exhale. Start by folding the index, middle, and ring fingers of the right hand while keeping the thumb and the little finger extended. Close your eyes and seal the right nostril with the thumb and inhale deeply using your left nostril. Hold your breath for 1 count and then use the little finger to close your left nostril while exhaling fully using the right nostril. Pause for 1 count and then inhale deeply using the right nostril. Repeat this pattern of breathing for at least 10 full cycles. This is my favorite meditation style before any interview. It instantly calms me down, but at the same time provides a boost of energy. It's like having coffee without any of the jitters. The next style of meditation is mantra meditation. There's such an incredible power to setting an intention. In a lot of ways, it's the very first step to creating or manifesting something into your life. In this form of meditation, before you start, you want to ask yourself, what is your intention? It could be your intention for the day. It could be your intention for a meeting that you might be heading into, that you're nervous about, or it could be something that you want to manifest into your life. Ask yourself the question, what do I want to experience today? And pick a word or a phrase that embodies that intention. Once you have that, sit down in your quiet spot, close your eyes, and recite your mantra, slowly and steadily. You can choose to recite your mantra silently in your head or out loud. It is completely up to you, depending on what you prefer. Start by meditating for about 3 to 5 minutes and then slowly build up to about 10 to 12 minutes. The whole point is to go with the flow and just focus on the sound of your mantra. There's no pressure. The third meditation style is box breathing. Here, you synchronize your inhales, exhales, and the pauses in between for the exact same count. If it sounds a little complicated, don't worry, it's not. Start by closing your eyes and imagining a square box. Slowly breathe in through your nose as you imagine going up the side of the box for a count of 4. Feel your chest expand, and when you reach the top, hold your breath and now picture yourself going across the top of the box for a count of 4. Exhale gradually as you imagine traveling down the box on the other side for a count of 4. Pause and hold your breath again as you imagine traveling across the bottom of the box for a count of 4. You've completed one full cycle of box breathing. You want to aim for at least 10 cycles when you're starting out, and then build up gradually from there. The fourth meditation style is guided meditations. Guided meditations are meditations where someone's voice guides you through the entire meditation process. You can use apps like Headspace or the Calm app, or even look up guided meditations on YouTube to find the right meditation for you. Having someone talk you through the entire meditation process makes it easier to focus and follow along. If you're trying meditation for the very first time, then you might want to try a guided meditation. It makes the process really easy and simple. The 4 meditation styles that we've gone over, Anulom Vilom, mantra meditation, box breathing, and guided meditations, are really great if you're just starting out or finding it difficult to concentrate. The next 2 meditations we're going to talk about are a little bit more advanced. Unlike the 4 meditation styles that we discussed that had a definite structure and process to them, these are a lot more organic. Personally, I've found that the next 2 meditation styles work best for me when I'm already in a very calm state of mind. So think at the end of an hour-long yoga session, or early in the morning before I've touched my cell phone. In those circumstances, I use the next 2 meditation styles. So let's jump in and talk about them. The next style of meditation is focusing on your breath. Start by finding a calm and a quiet spot. Sit down comfortably, close your eyes, and start by focusing on your breath. Most of us, as we go about our day, take very shallow breaths. If you look at a baby breathe, you'll notice that they take deep belly breaths. The goal of this meditation is to focus on your breath and focus on slow, deep belly breathing. When you take a deep breath, both your chest and belly will rise and fall as you inhale and exhale. A shallow breath, on the other hand, will only cause your chest to rise and fall as you inhale and exhale. Your belly won't move at all as you breathe. As part of the breath meditation, you want to focus on deep, long, slow breaths which make your belly rise and fall. This does not mean taking exaggerated breaths. All you want to do is focus on your breath patterns. In and out. In and out. In and out. If you notice any thoughts coming through while you're meditating, let them go and bring your attention back to your breath. Start by meditating for about 3 to 5 minutes as you focus on your breath, and slowly increase it to a 10, 15, maybe even 20-minute meditation cycle. The last and the final meditation style is a body scan. You can do this while sitting comfortably on a chair or lying down. I personally prefer to lie down when I'm doing this. Start by rolling out your yoga mat and lie down comfortably on it. Close your eyes and start bringing your attention inwards towards your breath. As you bring your attention inwards, if you notice that you've been taking shallow breaths, start by taking deep, full belly breaths. As you take a deep breath, bring your awareness to your feet. Notice any sensations, weight, or pressure that you might be feeling in your feet. You want to bring all of your awareness and focus to one part of your body. From your feet, travel up your calf muscles and thighs. Slowly and steadily move up your hip joints, pelvis, and stomach. If any part of your body feels tense, take the time to breathe deeply. Visualize releasing the tension from that part of your body. Move your attention to your chest, arms, shoulders, and neck. Notice if you're holding any stiffness, pain in your shoulders or neck. If you notice any pain and stiffness, acknowledge it along with any thoughts or emotions that might be accompanying that feeling. Focus on gently breathing through that feeling. Bring your attention up to your jaw, face, and up to your scalp. Release any stress or tension that you might be holding here. Repeat the scan, this time from the top of your head to your feet. Continue scanning your body a couple of different times. Those are the 6 different styles of meditation. I hope you give one or maybe all of them a try. In a way, it's like having a menu that you can pick and choose from, depending on how you're feeling and what your mood is. I'm going to sign off. I'm going to see you here again on the channel. Until then, namaste. Come to realize that there are a lot of different schools. Airplane, helicopter, chopper. Really? Now? Why? Next up is mantra meditation, partly inspired by one of my favorite books in the whole entire world, The Alchemist, and partly from a very famous Bollywood movie, is a quote on the power of intention. It goes a little like this. इतनी शिद्दत से मैंने तुम्हें पाने की कोशिश की है कि हर ज़र्रे में मुझे तुमसे मिलाने की साजिश की है. कहते हैं अगर किसी चीज़ को पूरे दिल से चाहो तो पूरी कायनात जुट जाती है तुम्हें उससे मिलाने में. That is too cheesy. I mean, it's true, but it's cheesy. It's too cheesy. I can't do that. Like, that's too cheesy, right? It's too cheesy. But I like it. I like Shah Rukh Khan, but it's cheesy. What do I want to say? Okay, what I want to say is intention matters. Okay? Take 2. I need to get like Take 2. Take 2. Meditation style for you. It is basically entitled